Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be just going through how to install Zoom on Windows operating system. Basically, when our students are going through online classes, they basically need Zoom installed, right? Because when we schedule a meeting, they need to join that through Zoom, and also they need to know how to install this on Windows. If you just go ahead and click on this onboarding process here, this is going to take me to a page where I can download Zoom for Windows, and also I will make sure that I put the link of this page in the description of this video, right? So that if you want to follow the same step, you can just go ahead and click on the link, and it's going to open this. And as you guys can see here, we say download Zoom, and this is a 32-bit package, right? This is going to work for everybody, because if you have, let's say, if you have a 64-bit package, you make sure that you download this one. And if you have a 32-bit operating system, you make sure that you download the second one. How can you check that? You just need to kind of go to, if you click here on your Windows PC and you go to PC here, you right click and you go to show more property, you will see here that my operating system, it is 64-bit. If you check yours, it is 32-bit. Make sure that you download the 32-bit. But as if yours is 64, you can download either 32-bit or 64-bit. Why? A 32-bit, 64-bit operating system can basically take a 32-bit program or 64-bit program, right? I'll go ahead and hit this one, and it's going to download this. And when this is done, it will go ahead and store it in my download folder. And when I have this in my download folder, the process now, it is really, really simple. What are you going to do? You just go ahead and double click on this Zoom installer here, and you will receive a prompt. Do you really want to do that? You go ahead and say yes, and you install. I'm not going to install this. Why? Because I am using Zoom to record this video. And if you're trying to install Zoom, what will happen is that it will go ahead and kick me out of the current one, and I won't be able to do anything no more. And that's why I'm not going to install. But the installation, it is really simple, straightforward process. You just double click, you have a prompt, as that's Windows stuff, right? Do you really want to do that? You say yes, and you just cover your eyes and you say next, and that is done. And when Zoom is installed, just go to your search bar here, and you'll be able to type Zoom. And when you type Zoom, it shows up here. You can right click and you can go ahead and do it. And just say open the file location, and you can copy the icon of Zoom and you put it on your desktop. And you are done. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you will be notified when we publish a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.